5 signs of virtual autism. Number 1, the child initiates communication to help you guess all of their messages. All of their messages are not surrounding tech. How do you know when the child is hungry? Are you always just showing up with food, or are they coming to you to tell you that they want it? Are they coming to you to show you when something is broken and they need you to fix it, or something is locked and they want you to open it, or something is not happening fast enough and they want it to happen faster, or good enough, or hot enough, or cold enough, or whatever? If you are getting that child initiating, meaning they are coming to you to tell you all of these messages, ideas, opinions, they're instructing you in how they want you to do things exactly the way they want it, all of that is a sign that your child has a virtual form of autism and not a true autism, because this is the primary difference between a true autism and a late talking is initiation. Kids with true autism will not come to you. They will stay by themselves in their misery. They won't want you to come and join them in their happiness or their misery, because this is what late talkers do. They come to you to get you into their own mind and their own world and their own feelings, so that you will feel what they're feeling and help them feel better. You will help them. You will initiate helping them. They're coming to you to ask you for assistance, and you are understanding or responding to those things. You're guessing. They're initiating. You are guessing. This is the number 1 sign that it is virtual autism.